Hello guys, welcome back to my channel 𝕕𝕬𝕣𝕣𝕦𝕧𝕖𝕗. Before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. In this video, I will teach you how to fix a corrupted pen drive with and without software. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So, this is my corrupted pen drive which I am gonna fix it in this video. Open run by pressing Windows and R key together and type cmd here. Here, type the command diskpart and enter it. This will open a new command prompt of diskpart. Type list disk and enter it. It will show the list of disks present in your PC. Now, you should select the disk where the pen drive is present. If you don't know which disk to select, right click on this PC and click on manage. Here, go to disk management. And now, see in which disk is your pen drive located. In command prompt, type the command select disk and give the number of disks where your pen drive is located and enter it. Then type the command clean and enter it. Here, type the command create partition primary and enter it. Then type the last command assign and enter it. Here, a new window pop-ups asking you to format your pen drive. Close all command prompts and click on format disk. Just give start and click on OK. So here my pen drive is fixed. Only for some users this may work. If this didn't work for you, let's move to the second trick. I have inserted a new corrupted pen drive here. Open your browser and type minitool partition wizard. Click on the first link and click on download here. This download will start on automatically. Here you should tick only the partition wizard. So untick the rest all. Click on finish. Here a browser will pop up on its own. Close it. Here choose the pen drive and click on format. Give apply and click on OK. Because formatting our pen drives through softwares can fix our pen drive. So now My pendrive is fixed using a software. If this also doesn't work, then throw your pendrive. This was just a joke. Don't take it serious. That's all guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share it to your all friends.
Say